guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another freaking video. I am so excited to make this video. As you can see by the thumbnail and the title, I am going to be doing my new pink iPad 10th generation unboxing video. Y'all, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me get the thumbnail. Like, y'all, I really got so much stuff to unbox. Like, that's not even all. Let me show y'all everything. So I gotta unbox the iPad. If you've been watching my last two videos, you know I broke my tripod. So I got another tripod. Yeah, so excited for that. I have my glass screen protector for my iPad. Yeah, get into it. And then I also have a keyboard case. Like, girl, who you know? Who you know? So guys, the first thing I'm gonna be doing for y'all is unboxing my tripod. I'm gonna do that first because I want to set y'all up before I even unbox the big iPad. You hear me? So let's do it. Okay. Ain't got no scissors in it. I do got some pliers. Oh. Baby. Okay. Yeah. Y'all, this is exactly what I need. A little small little tripod that I can hold. Like my last one that I broke, baby, it was big. I ain't lying. It might have looked small, but baby, it was big. Like, I couldn't just walk around with that thing all day like that. No. It wasn't happening. Trying to run and jump. Okay, baby, what are instructions? Because I need it. Okay. This is how the tripod look. I could have sworn it came with a little... Oh. Is this the mode? It comes with a little remote, y'all. How to put it back up there? Not a little remote. Y'all don't know what to call it. But it's very, very cute. Okay. Let me make sure it's straight. It's not getting straight. Okay. This is getting straight. Yeah. This is, girl, I don't know. I'm not even gonna have to use these other parts. That's only if I want to connect it to my phone. But I'm about to set y'all up on my tripod. Y'all look. What is here? I don't need to. Let me leave that where it's at. Y'all, my little tripod is so cute. Let me set y'all up. I got y'all on my tripod. Like, it's giving. It's definitely giving. Like, y'all, this just made my camera look so fun. Like, girl, let's get into the iPad. Y'all, that's my TikTok. I'm making the TikTok. Let's get into this iPad. Y'all see it? Y'all, I love it. Okay. Yes, bro, y'all see my freaking iPad. Like, y'all, it's so beautiful. I love it. Like, oh my gosh, my camera is finna die. I try to do this video like a, what you call it, a ASMR video. Hopefully that went good. I don't know. I won't know until I watch the video. Hopefully. But I was recording on my TikTok and my camera. That's why, y'all, it was so much recording this whole video. Like, seriously. From YouTube to TikTok, back and forth, trying to record at the same time, y'all, it was a struggle. A struggle. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and continue to vibe with your girl Crit. I'm about to set my iPad up. Should I set it up with y'all? I think this video already long enough, and I don't know if y'all like long videos. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe once again. Continue to vibe with your girl Crit. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Let me go love on my iPad.